Benson, number 3 of Belle Chase Middle. Caitlin is from District 12.
Not Tom or Rita, but this Benson. I'm Caitlin Kudat Benson, the candidate for reporter that'll make sure our betas are always in the know and never have to wonder, Kudat. Before the ball is being kicked off for next year's convention, I'll be working tirelessly to make sure the 2012 state convention is better than the Super Bowl. Like any successful team, our Louisiana junior betas need to be kept aware of all opportunities available to them. Whether we are first and goal or 4th and 10, I'll be on the sidelines researching my playbook to make sure our next move will guarantee success for our beta team. If we are kicking a field goal with 2 seconds left or blitzing the quarterback, all of our players in the line of scrimmage will have all the information they need to make that play a success. There will be no off-season for this reporter. If an audible is called and the executive council makes some changes, this reporter will keep you informed of those changes. Just as the Benson family keeps the community updated on the Saints, this Benson will report back to the national office and schools to let them know all of the wonderful things going on with our Louisiana junior betas. I will make sure the fall newsletter reaches your school before we can pick the playoff hopefuls. So come and join the Beta Kudat Nation by casting your vote for me, number 3, Caitlin Kudat Benson.